Deck Mediterranean alums Malia White and Katie Flood's relationship is stronger than ever. Watch Winter House on Bravo Tuesdays at 9/8 and next day on Peacock. Catch up on the Bravo app. As fans know, the yachties became besties during their time together on Season 5 of Below Deck Med. In fact, their friendship has grown so much that they are practically inseparable. Not only are the duo still co-workers to this day, but they're also travel buddies, which we got to see on Season 3 of Winter House. What's more, Malia and Katie opened up about her tight-knit bond on the series, revealing they share an office and cabin together. Now, a week after the Season 3 finale, Malia shared an update on her friendship with Katie today. Malia White and Katie Flood friendship update after Winter House Season 3 on December 26. Malia took to her social feed to share a heartwarming birthday tribute to her BFF, Katie. In the Instagram post, Malia posted a series of photos of the two from over the years, highlighting the numerous memories they've made with each other. Happy birthday to my wifey, forever travel buddy, and the best ride or die partner in life. Malia captioned the post. Your friendship is the gift that keeps on giving year-round, and I'm so thankful to have you in my life. Malia White posts a picture of herself with Katie Flood in Monaco on October 1, 2023. Photo. Malia White, Instagram. A few photos included in the post were Malia and Katie in their work uniform hugging while on a yacht, and the two dressed in winter attire posing for a pic just outside the Steamboat Springs vacation home they lodged in during Winter House. Malia concluded her loving post by raving about Katie's kind spirit, writing, "Everyone that meets you adores you, and, for good reason, you're the real Christmas miracle. I love you, Katie Flood, through and through." Of course, Katie expressed her love back to her yachtie for life in the comments. OMG, you just brought me to tears. I am so happy I get to do life with you and forever grateful for you in my life, she wrote. Related, Malia White reveals where she stands with Sam Fahar after the Winter House reunion. Kyle Cook shares an update on his friendship with Danielle Oliveira. Katie isn't the only Capricorn in the Bravolub family, as Danielle Oliveira also recently celebrated her birthday a few days before. In honor of the Summer House cast members' special day, her castmate and good friend, Kyle Cook, took to his Instagram to show his love for the birthday girl. Happy birthday, Danielle Oliveira. Here's to 10 years of sending it. Kyle captioned a photo of himself and Danielle wearing matching orange t-shirt with Loverboy cocktails in hand. Kyle's post garnered lots of love from fans and even Danielle's new boo, Joe Bradley. The Southern Hospitality cast member commented, the raising hands emojis.